happen? Or does someone else want to do B?
Just play B, it's fine. I'm gonna go long.
Get these done.
Actually, no, I'm not even gonna go long because I feel like they're gonna rush B. I'm gonna stack that shit, yo.
Nothing mid. B. B, B.
Yep, B.
Good call, Summit.
Oh,
Good call, Summit.
Was that a 5K?